Hello and welcome back to part 2. This is going to be clearing the clutter. So what is clearing the clutter? Basically that's going to be completely getting you more space in your hard drive and just clearing out all the junk that you don't actually need on your computer, which will be slowing it down. First thing you're going to do is just go to your recycle bin and just empty it. As you can see, mine's already empty. So as soon as you've emptied that, that should free up quite a bit of space. The next thing is quite a big thing. It's a system protection file size. So you're going to go to Start, Control Panel, going to search for Backup and Restore. Then as you can see it says Manage Space. And as you can see here we've got System Protection is turned on for this drive and is using 2.28 gigabytes of space. You can free up space by turning off System Protection for this drive. Click Change and then select whatever hard drive you'd like. I'll do the C drive, configure. As you can see here you can select how much space is allocated to basically protecting and backing up your hard drive. I basically have faith that mine won't fail, so I'm going to put mine at 2%. What you're going to do is select this at a much lower. It could be at 100, so 100 gig could be used for backing it up. For all I know, you could be using a backup on disks or on a different hard drive. So it would be best to just lower it down to something quite low. And as you can see here, it says delete. This is going to delete all the restore points, including system settings of previous files. So I've actually already done that. You can click delete. That will delete all the restore points apart from the latest version. So there is a restore point, so you can feel free to delete it. That I can guarantee that will free up lots and lots of space and lowering this. Okay, you can do this for all your hard drives. You can see I've got that on the lowest. That's currently using 1.88 gig, and that one's not using anything because I'm not even using it. Okay, just close that out. Okay, next we've got this cleanup. So as you go to Start, All Programs, go down to Accessories, then System Tools. Okay, click this cleanup, and I want to clean up the C drive. Now what this is going to do, this is going to clean up, say, temporary internet files, or just temporary files. It will also delete things in the recycle bin, but there's something else you can do which will free up even more memory, or space, should I say. I don't know, it's just calculating how much room that it can save. Okay, so we've got downloaded program files. I've currently got none. You get all these sort of things here. Service backup files. Got all this stuff. As you can see, I've actually done it really recently, so I've only got 19.9 megabytes. So you can click more options. As you can see, system restore and shadow copies. You can just click clean up and it will delete all but the most recent restore point. That will definitely free up quite a lot of space. Once again, this cleanup you can just select whatever you want. For example, I could do that one, that one. Now I could just click OK and it will clean it all up for me. However, I don't want to do it as I've already done it. Okay, another big thing is just go to Control Panel and Uninstall Program. Select Size. And as you can see, a lot of these programs I probably don't even use. So what you want to do is just go onto your computer and do the same thing and just find all the programs that you don't even use and just uninstall them simply. That's it. More, I think you can do last used on. There you go. So if you right click on more and just select last used on, that will actually show you the last time you used it, or at least it should do. But you can just go through it yourself and just look at things and see what you use. For example, I don't really use Maya, so I could uninstall it. I mean, I never use that. I could just uninstall that. I don't even have a Nokia anymore. Google Earth plugin, I don't use Google Earth. Mumble, I don't use that. And you get the idea, you can just remove so many things. That about wraps it up for clearing the clutter and freeing up that space. So in part 3 we're going to be moving on to actually fixing things.